In this video, we're going to go through the song, Be Unto Your Name. And we're going to sing it sort of really, really slow so that you can keep up with it and get practiced with it. Now, I'm going to assume that you've gone through the vocabulary and you know the vocabulary, you've worked it out, and you've trained your fingers and your hands to do things in sentences. Okay? Here, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on making it a song and to engage the rest of your body. Okay? I don't want to see, we are a moment, you are forever. Okay? There's no song in that. That's not even a death march. Okay? Even a death march has a beat to it. Okay? I want to see you get your body involved with it. Okay? So here we go with Be Unto Your Name, sung really slow. We are a moment, you are forever, Lord of the ages, God before time. We are a vapor, you are eternal, love everlasting, reigning on high. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty, worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Highest praises, honor, and glory be unto your name. Be unto your name. We are the broken, you are the healer, Jesus, Redeemer, mighty to save. You are the love song we'll sing forever, bowing before you, blessing your name. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty, worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Highest praises, honor, and glory be unto your name. Be unto your name. Be unto your name. Okay, that's it. That was done slowly. Practice with it. And when you get to where you feel comfortable with this and comfortable with your body moving along with you, then move on to the next video and work it out. so that you do it with the video, with the audio that will actually be there at LTC. Look forward to seeing you there. Good luck.